Hello, good morning! Dahil malapit na ang April 15, 2024 at mag-take effect na ang RR 16-2023, ang withholding tax sa mga online sellers. Dahil dyan sa withholding tax na yan, kailangang mag-register ng lahat ng mga online sellers para makapagpatuloy na makapagbenta sa mga online platform ng Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, and other online selling platform. So, ito siya Shopee. May notification sa lahat ng mga sellers niya reminding na kailangan ng mag-submit ng tax documents. Yung sworn declaration for those na taxpayers na for the year 2023 ay hindi naka-reach ng 500,000 pesos na payout. At ngayong 2024, ina-estimate or projected ng taxpayer na hindi siya lalampas sa 500,000 pesos, kailangan po na mag-execute ng sworn declaration, notarize at ipa-receive sa Bureau of Internal Revenue at i-upload dito sa Shopee or sa Lazada. Yung iba naman, may Certificate of Tax Exemption at saka BMBE Certificate of Authority. So, dito lang i-upload sa Shopee platform. Dahil ako nagbebenta sa Shopee, hindi na ako ganun ka-active sa Shopee, pero in-update ko pa rin dito ang aking Certificate of Registration at nagawan ko na nga ng tutorial video kung paano gawin. So ngayon, i-upload ko naman ang aking BMBE certificate para ma-exempt sa withholding tax. So, sellers can be exempt from being charged the 1% withholding tax provided they have proper documentation like BIR Certificate of Tax Exemption or BMBE Certificate of Authority. Note, yung inyong tax exemption document will be verified by a Shopee representative and will be matched against your current business information on Seller Center. You will get an email confirmation if your submission is accepted and you are exempted from withholding tax. Yung iba palang taxpayers nag-message sa akin na hindi daw sila nakapag-update or nakapag-add ng products sa kanilang shop dahil pending pa yung kanilang update of business information. So, nag-try ako sa akin na mag-add ng product dito sa Seller Center. Nakapag-add naman ako. So, hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari. Pwede nyong i-chat na lang sa customer service. Ito yung example ng BMBE Certificate of Authority. Para ma-exempt sa income tax, kailangan po itong dalhin sa Bureau of Internal Revenue at i-apply for exemption from income tax. Kung exempted ka sa income tax, at syempre, exempted ka rin sa withholding tax kasi wala kang pagbabawasan nun, wala kang tax due. Kasi ang tax credits, withholding tax ay magiging tax credits. Deduction from income tax. So, do you agree? So, do you agree to the above terms and conditions? Yes, I agree. Before submitting this web form, please ensure that you've updated your business information on Seller Center and that the details on your uploaded documents match with your details here. So, ako, nakapag-update na ako ng aking business information. Yeah. Yes, I have updated my business information. Shop name, registered name. Your registered name under business information and the registered name on your documents must match this. So, encode the registered taxpayer name. Your email address, automatic na siya. Email manager or email or of relationship manager, wala. What documents will you submit today? So select tax exemption. For tax exemption, your tax exemption document will be verified. Yun. Okay. Will be verified by a Shopee representative. Document type, select certificate of tax exemption, certificate of tax exemption co-op, BMBE, certificate of authority. Yan, meron siyang sample ng BMBE certificate of authority. File upload, PDF, JPEG, JPG, PNG, 20 MB max file size, maximum file size. Okay, click here to upload. Yeah, choose BMBE certificate, PDF, expiry date ng document. Dali lang. Check ko muna ang expiry date. And will expire on June 25, 2025. June 25. 2 years kasi to. So, 2025. June 25, 2025. Remarks. Wala na akong remarks. Click submit. Okay, ito pala slide. Nahihirapan akong mag-slide. Sorry, halatang hindi na ako laging nagbebenta sa Shopee. Hindi na ako makapag-slide. But oh no. Okay. Submitted successfully. Congratulations! Medyo nahihirapan ako doon sa pag-slide ng puzzle. Okay guys, sana po nakapag-upload na rin kayo ng inyong certificate of exemption. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-apply, may time pa po kayong mag-apply ng BMBE Certificate of Registration. Meron akong video dyan kung paano mag-apply ng BMBE Certificate of Authority. Certificate of Authority sa DTI. Online lang siya makukuha. Meron na rin akong video kung anong mga benefits and incentives from government ng isang BMBE registered enterprise. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Bye!